Good morning everyone. Today we are going to start maths for class 10. So our topic is matrices. Okay. So in our last class, already discussed the basic part of matrices. Right. So today we are going to start addition and subtraction of matrices. Okay. So already know that when we are going to write any of the element or number in this way, like 2, 1, 3. Those kind of matrices called row matrices. Matrix. If we going to write this in this way 2, 1, 3 in vertically, this kind of matrices called column matrix, right? And this type, suppose where number of row 1 and number of column also, it is called row. Char 1, char 2, this one column 1, this one column 2, right? Right? So when you are going to represent any kind of element in this way, this kind of matrices is called square matrix, right? Now we are going to discuss about addition and subtraction of matrices. So our first question, M equals to, M is one type of matrix, 2, 0, 1, 2, okay, and N another matrix, 2, 0, minus 1, 2, okay. A matrix 2, 0, 1, 2. A matrix 2, 0, minus 1, okay. Find M plus 2N, or find the value of M plus 2N. Find the value of M plus 2. Okay, this is our question. So look at it. Here we are going to find value of M plus 2M, right? Already M matrix is given here 2, 0, 1, 2. But here only N matrix is given 2, 0, minus 1, 2, but not 2M. So first we are going to convert this N to 2M. Okay. So if we are going to convert this N into 2N, that means 2 multiplied with this number 2, 0, minus 1, 2, right? So this 2 multiplied with this 2, once again with 0, then minus 1, then this 1, okay. That, so 2 into 2, 4, 2 into 0, 0, 2 into minus 1, minus 2, and 2 to the 4, right? This is the value of 2n, okay? So value of 2n, and M matrix already given 2, 0, 1, okay? Now we are going to find value of M plus 2. That means we are going to add this matrix and this matrix, okay? So when we are going to find value of M plus N, so first I put matrix M, this is 2, 0, 1, 2, okay, and 2N matrix, this one, plus sign, 4, 0, minus 2, and 4. Okay. Now already discussed this position and this position. They are equivalent. This position, they are also equivalent. This one position, this and this position, they are also equivalent. And this 2 and 4, they are also equivalent. Their position. So we are going to add this 2 with this 4. That means 2 plus 4, because these two positions are equivalent. In the same way, 0, 0. Then same position, 0 plus 0. This 1 and this minus 2. So first 1, then plus into minus, minus 2. Then 2 or plus 4. Okay? So 2 plus 4, 6. 0 plus 0, 0. 1 minus 2, minus 1. 2 plus 4, 6. Clear? Understood? So this is our answer. The value of m plus 2. Clear? Now come to example number 2. A matrix equals to 2, 0, minus 3, 1. Okay. B matrix 0, 1, minus 2, 3. This is B matrix. I'm going to find the value of the value of 2a minus 3. Okay, find the value of 2a minus 3. Clear? So first, look at here, this is matrix A, and we are going to find value of 2a first, right? So when we are going to find 2a, that means this matrix A multiplied by 2. So this 2 multiplied matrix A, 2, 0, minus 3, 1. So 2 into 2, 4, 2 into 0, 0, 2 into minus 3, minus 6, 2 into 1. Okay, this is the value of 2a. Next, 3b. This b, this matrix B multiplied with 3. Multiplied with matrix B, 0, 1, 2, minus 20. Okay, so 3 into 0, 0, 3 into 1, 3, 3 2s are minus 6, 3 3s are 9. So value of 3b. This one 2a, this one 3b. Okay, clear? Now we are going to find value of 2a minus 3. Okay, so 2a minus 3. So first we are going to put the value of 2a, this one 4, 0, minus 6, 2, and 3b minus 9, 0, 3, minus 6, 9. Okay. In the same way, this position and this position they are equivalent. So 4 minus 0, 4 minus 0, 0 minus 3, 0 minus 3, minus 6, minus minus, plus 6. Okay, this is minus 6, then minus minus plus 6, 2, minus 9. Okay, now so 4 minus 0, 4, 0 minus 3, minus 3, minus 6 plus 6, they cancel out, that means 0, 2 minus 9, minus 7. Okay, this is our answer. This is the value of 2a minus 3. Clear? We come to example number 3. Matrix A equals to 0, minus 1, 1, 2. Okay, matrix B 1, 2, minus 1, 1. Okay, the question is find matrix X. Find the matrix X if 3a plus x equals to b. Okay, so look at here. Your matrix A is given, matrix B also given, but x is not given. Okay, that's why we are going to find the value of matrix X. Okay, so first we are going to arrange this equation. Okay, if we are going to arrange this equation, so it is given 3a plus x equals to b, right? When we are going to arrange this equation, because we are going to find value of x, that's why x in left hand side, b as it is right hand side, and this 3 goes to this side. That means now it is minus 3. Okay, so in this way we are going to find the value of x. Okay, now look at here. When we are going to find the value of x, here it is mentioned b minus 3. B minus 3. That means we are going to subtract b matrix and 3 matrix, right? So value of b is already given, but value of 3a is not given. Only a is given. That's why first we are going to find the value of matrix 3a. Okay. So 3a equals to 3 into matrix A, that means 0, minus 1, 1, 2. Okay, so 3 into 0, 0, 3 into minus 1, minus 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. The value of 3a. Okay, and b is already given here, this one. Now we are going to find matrix X. B minus 3a. So B matrix is 1, 1, 2, minus 1, 1. Minus sign 3a is 1. This is the value of 3a. 0, minus 3, 3 is 6. Okay. So this 1 and this 0. Subtract it. 1 minus 0. 2. This minus, minus minus, plus they are multiplied, minus sign. So 2 plus 3, minus 1, minus 3, plus into minus minus, and this 1 and this 6, 1 minus 6. Okay. Now 1 minus 0 means 1, 2 plus 3, 5 minus 1 minus 3 minus minus plus, so minus 4 and 1 minus 6 minus 5. Understood? This is the value of matrix X. This is our answer. Clear? Now come to example number 4. Question is given 2 into 3, 4, 5x plus 1 y 0 1 equals to z 0 10 5. Okay, the question. Find the value of x, y and z. Okay, the expression is given and I am going to find the value of x, y and z. That means x, y and z. Okay, so first this 2 multiplied with all this number. 2 into 3, 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10 and 2 into x, 2x. Okay, plus sign 1, y, 0, 1 equals to z, 0, 10, 5. Okay. Now they will compare this position. Look at it. This y, this position, they are equivalent, and this one also they are equivalent position. That's why first we are going to add this number 8 and y, then equal with 0. Okay. So 8 is 8 plus y. 8 plus y equals to what? 0. Okay. So we are going to find value of y. Now y equals to minus 8. Second, already value of y done. Now we are going to find value of z. This position, and this position. They are equivalent. So six plus 1 equals to z. 6 plus 1 7. So value of z equals to 7. Now x, 2x, 1 and 5. So 2x plus 1 equals to 5. X equals to now 5 minus 1, that means 4. So x equals to 4 by 2. They cancel out. X equals to 2. Okay. So value of x 2, y minus 8, z 7. X equals to minus 2, y equals to minus 8 and z equals to 7. Clear? This is our answer. Understood? Okay. Because x equals to 2, I am writing a minus 2. Sorry, x equals to only 2. Okay, that means plus 1. X 2, y minus 8, z 7. Clear? Okay students, I hope you have understood what I have taught you. You try to solve the exercise question. If you have any problem, then contact us. Okay, thank you.